Kyojiro, I want to ask you something. Do you know why it is you were born with greater strength than so many others?
No, ma'am, I don't!
It is so that you can protect the weak.
Mother, did I do well? The responsibility I took upon myself to fulfill. Was I successful?
I'm so proud of you, my son.